Welcome to Gariautocare. I'm Tim Wire. Right now I have Land Cruiser of 2024. This vehicle has a problem. Let me show you. Let me start the vehicle. See, right now the vehicle is running perfect. But look very careful on the dashboard. We have steering light on the dashboard, and the steering is hard. See, it's manual. So today I'm going to show you how to solve that. See, so they have changed the steering control module, they have changed the steering rack, they have changed a lot of things, but we still have that problem. So today I'm going to show you how to solve that. First, I'm going to scan this vehicle using my Thinkcar machine. This is the type of diagnostic machine I'm going to use so that we can scan this vehicle. Still we have that fault code on the dashboard. So I'm going to scan this vehicle. Auto search under Europe and others. This is the details of the vehicle. Land Cruiser J25 engine. The mileage, what? Okay. Let me scan this vehicle so that we are going to handle this vehicle according to the fault code. So it's under the steering angle sensors here, or electrical motor power steering. So I'm going to start with the steering angle sensor. Read the fault code. The steering angle sensor doesn't have any fault code. So the first thing, we have already eliminated the we normally call the steering angle sensor here, or the spiral, which means the spiral is okay. Another thing, we are going back to steering. You're going back to, we have steering motor, we have electrical motor power steering. Exactly, this is where the problem is. Read the fault code. Wow. According to my diagnostic machine, we have power steering motor A supply voltage circuit, voltage below threshold. Power steering motor A supply. The problem is power or motor, but they have changed motor, so the problem is power steering power supply motor. The fault code is C155A16. Even on the dashboard, power steering malfunctions. See, according to that information, at least we have a hint, steering power low. What are we going to do? I'm going to try to clear the fault code. That's the first thing we need to do. Right now we don't have any fault code. Let me read again. Let me try to. So when you try to clear the fault code on the dashboard, we have the yellow color pop up, but it has an exclamation mark, meaning we still have a problem in that system. Let me try to see. Right now that we don't have that fault code on the system, but still the steering is hard. See. So I'm going to use my tester, make sure all the fuses are okay. I'm talking about it's running perfect. So this is the first fuse box. When you are dealing with this kind of behavior, first you need to make sure all the fuses are okay. I'm going to start with the main fuses because it's a steering power supply. Those are not the small fuses, so I eliminate the small fuses. We are going to deal with the big fuses. For example, this one is on up. These are the main fuses. Now you can see it clearly. These ones. So that one is okay. It's okay. It's okay. So this is the first thing. The fuses are okay. So the problem is not the main fuses. We have another fuses here which is transparent, you can see. Fuse 30 amps, fuse 60, fuse 200, fuse 200. Then we have another here, fuse 120, fuse 120, fuse 100. All of those fuses are okay. So here the problem is not the fuses. So the fuses are okay. Now the fuses are okay. So I'm going to turn everything back. So right now the fuses are okay. Next is the steering supply, earth or main. The steering supply main, this one, the black one. Put the steering supply here before we complete the steering motor. So first you need to make sure tester is on earth as usual. There we don't have power, so the problem is power here. See, problem is the socket is not intact. See, the socket is not intact. See, no power. So see, so the problem was this socket. The power steering socket has a looseness. Let's go and confirm that. It was such easy. So right now we still have that the yellow. So what I'm going to do, this is I'm going to put ignition off. Then I'm going to put ignition on. Engine is off. Then I'm going to clear that fault code from the system. I'm going to read again. Then under the electrical motor power steering, so I'm going to clear that fault code from the system again. I'm going to read. Right now we don't have any fault code. So next step is I'm going to start this vehicle as usual. Exactly, look at the dashboard. We don't have that light on the dashboard. Even the steering is soft. Imagine a simple looseness have caused this person to buy a new steering rack, a new power steering, a motor, and a new angle sensor. See, but right now everything's working perfect. See,
here are some commands you can try.
See, everything is working perfect. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.